It's a beautiful morning, and our stay at Greenview Resorts was very nice, and we are on our way back to Delhi. Abhinav is on his new Honda CB350, and I am riding a Royal Enfield 650 Baker Express, which oh yeah, yeah, it does. See, but I have to hit like this then. Exactly, yeah. So because I'm tall, these don't bother me that much, but they still manage to scrape my shins if I'm not careful enough. If only Royal Enfield had done another okay job. Alright. So far the bike has not given me any problems at all. It's just a lovely cafe racer with amazing rider comfort. Really nice suspensions, and yeah, gives you value for your money. And because I'm going rather downhill, so I'll just kill the engine, and we can go from here, which is a nice way to be even more fuel efficient. The things Indians do, right? So I am wearing a Royal Enfield jacket, which Abhinav was generous enough to give me. And these Skoiko gloves. These are pretty nice. They get the job done. I was never into looks, but yeah, if it gets the job done, shut up and take my money. And because this was just a day ride, so yeah, I didn't see any point in, and because we were going to ride a bit slow, so not that heavily geared up, but a basic helmet and a riding jacket is always a must, no matter where you're going. Now I didn't choose to wear knee guards and all that because of, I'm not complaining about the rider position, but because I'm too tall, so my feet are kind of like bent, like all the time, and if I wear knee guards they end up like not stopping, I would say, but they decrease the blood circulation, and then the problems start to arise. So that's my reason. But yeah, a rider jacket is a complete must. Who wouldn't love these beautiful bend roads? I mean, you get to test your motorcycle's turning and suspension in so many ways, right? My God, I'm just falling in love. Oh, this is my nightmare. So much dust. Yeah, I am a little in favor of cleanliness. Oh, you gotta be careful. So if she vomits, everything is gonna land up on me. So you gotta go behind her. There you go. Huh. That was a close shave. But yeah, I mean, Interceptor has no problems in cornering, in turning. It's just, it handles beautifully. I mean, these twisties, these bendies, oh my god, this is a biker's dream. I mean, even if I was on a cruiser motorcycle, then this is like heaven. I cannot emphasize enough that I made an extremely good decision of getting this lovely motorcycle. Look at the torque. And look at the response time. I mean, Interceptor has got one of the best brakes in Indian market. Of course, they're from Brembo. And they stop when you want them to stop. And that's the best thing.